Hi everyone, welcome to Step 190. My name is Hyun-Joo Kim and I will be your instructor this summer. I'm a professor of statistics here at Truman and I've been teaching statistics for 26 years. You will also see some video lectures from Dr. Alberts who will be helping us throughout the course. Let me share the screen so you can see some bright space pages. Let's start by taking a quick look at Brightspace. As you can see here, it is under content. If you're watching this video, that means you already have access. Under content and start here, you will find the syllabus and syllabus video. I strongly encourage you to read through the syllabus carefully. In this video, I will highlight the most important parts. So if you click the syllabus, you will actually see something like that. My contact information is listed on the syllabus. Since this is an online course, most communication will be through email and Zoom. If you're in town and want to meet in person, I'm happy to do so. Just let me know. This class is asynchronous, so all course material, including lecture videos, assignments, and exams, are available on Brightspace and my Stat Lab, which we'll talk about in a little bit. To support your learning, we'll also meet on Zoom twice a week on Wednesday and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 9:50 a.m. You will find the agenda for each meeting under meetings. So if we go back to Brightspace, so under meeting, you will actually find some meeting related material, agenda and participation link and so on. Okay. Back to Zoom. There will be participation assignments connected to each meeting, 12 total participations and 10 point each. Most of the participation takes most participation tasks will be completed during the meeting. However, if you cannot attend the meeting, you can still earn full credit by completing the participation activity posted under meetings by the due dates. However, these participation assignments are much easier if you attend the meeting. Because you will have help from me and your classmates. Couple important details. All the due dates, the assignment, except the exams are actually more time constrained, or hour and a half exams. But all the other assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. on the listed due dates. I have office hours on Wednesdays and Fridays before and after our Zoom meeting. So 8 to 9 a.m. and 10 to 10:30 a.m. Please feel free to drop into the Zoom room and ask questions. If it looks like I'm not there, I may just have forgotten to open the Zoom, so send me a quick email. If you need to meet outside these times, email me and we can set up another time. Our first Zoom meeting will be Wednesday, June 3rd at 9 a.m. Please make your best effort to attend. To Brightspace. So under start here, with the syllabus and the syllabus video, you can also see that set up a Pearson assignment link here. So this setting up this account is very, very important because it will actually take you to the place called My Stat Lab, and that's where we're going to do all the homeworks and exams happening. So this part, you really want to do that in the beginning, the very, very first thing that you want to do. So anyway, that's the link there. There's also StatCrunch link. StatCrunch is the statistical software we're going to use in this class, and uh, the link is available there. And also textbook data link is already is right here. A couple other links, the class survey data. These are another data set that we'll be using frequently during the class, and that's the link of the data set. And this one is also class Google Sheets link. So there are again multiple occasions that we will use the Google Sheets, and so it is the link is available right there. Couple sneak preview on day one. If you click day one, there are a couple of assignments that you will do, start to do. Um, Obviously, you will set up your Pearson account, where you will purchase the textbook and My Stat Lab access. The link set up Pearson under Start Here explains the process. Afterwards, the Pearson link will take you directly into My Stat Lab. There you can find homework assignments and exams. Okay, and here's another assignment, which is just introducing yourself. You will also find the data collection form for your project. Throughout the summer, you will collect. If you actually click this one, it will take you to this Google sheet. So for each day, you're gonna measure your temperature and the study time for this class, and then mood meter. So if you click that one, it has a explanation of what's the mood color for each mood. And you'll share this data set with me later, and you're going to use this data set for your projects as well. Okay. So day two, we'll begin our statistics content. This is the chapter one, day two you're starting. Each chapter includes a short chapter introduction, and then class note. You can see the class note and the lecture videos and an assignment. The class notes contains blanks on purpose. Please print them before watching the lecture videos and fill in the blank as you follow along. Writing things down is a powerful learning tool, so I strongly encourage you to take advantage of this note. Assignments are completed in My Stat Lab. Clicking the assignment link right there will take you directly to Pearson once you actually have set up in day one. On day three, we have our special lab day. We'll walk through Excel, Google Sheets, and StatCrunch. These tools will be very helpful later in the courses. Okay, let's go back to syllabus. Step 190 moves quickly in the summer because we cover 16-week course material in 8 weeks. I recommend setting aside 3 to 4 hours per day, 5 days a week to stay on track. Falling behind can make it difficult to catch up, so do your best to follow the daily schedule. About Gen AI, you are never required to use Gen AI in this course. Tool like Copilot can be helpful as a supplement. such as getting an alternative explanation of the concept or polishing your project writing. However, you should not use Gen AI to start your assignment or just simply find the answers. Our goal is for you to learn how to solve statistical problems, and shortcuts can get in the way of understanding. If you choose to use Gen AI, follow the rules in the syllabus. And here is a rule listed there. Course material. You will need a textbook that lists Sullivan Michael, Fundamentals of Statistics, 6th edition, and my stat lab. A calculator, you're going to need it. During the exam, um, you will not be able to use the phone calculator. So, because, exam, you can use the note and the books and stuff, but any other, device, such as phone, it will be not allowed. So, make sure that you have a calculator available that is not on your phone. Um, and the thermometer, to collect your data for your temperature data. The daily schedule is important. You can submit the late homework, but 10% of your grade will be automatically deducted for each day you are late. Just listed right there. There are 2 projects and 4 exams. Those exams are on every other Friday of week 2, 4, 6, and 8. All exams will be given at 9 a.m. To 10:30 a.m. The final and all the other exams are half an hour and a half exam. If you cannot make this time, the alternative time is on the following Saturday at 9 o'clock at the same time. And you have to tell me as soon as possible and before Friday 8 a.m. for me to set up the exam time accordingly. So if you are planning to take on Friday, you don't need to let me know. But if you want to take it on Saturday, you have to let me know before 8 a.m. on Friday. I'll proctor while you're taking the exam through Zoom. All our tests are open book, open notes. So you can pretty much have all the resources you want, except you cannot talk to other people or AI, or you cannot use your phone. If you go row bottom, and there's a grading scheme if you are interested in that. And also there's a schedule, tentative schedule is there. And then you will find uh, um, several other important policies after day by day schedule. Please read the rest of it carefully. If you have any question, email is probably the best way to reach me. You are also welcome to stop by during my Zoom office hours. Welcome to Stay 190, and I'm excited to work with you this summer.